All right, should we watch some more Kiss?
Yeah, let's do that. I love Kiss. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. Oh, but geez, this is my favorite thing. Oh.
You think they could afford another microphone? I mean, Gene and Tommy are basically kissing when they sing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That. I don't know, man. Gotta say. Yeah, I think they look great.
Yeah, they really do.
You know, I was kind of prepared not to like it.
Oh, really? How come?
Well, I don't know, you know. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Just watching some Kiss videos here. They're back on the road. It's the end of the road tour. It's Kiss's last tour, you know. It's like the farewell tour. Remember from 20 years ago when they said it was the farewell tour? So yeah. Anyway.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you show us everything you've got. Oh baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. And party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. And party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. And party every day.
I'm doing it too much.
No, I'm just saying it's kind of tacky. What, the real Paul Stanley? Oh, wow. Yeah, put him on. Hey, Paul Stanley, how are ya? Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, no, I was just reading your book, actually. Yeah, that's great. Your package? Yeah, I got your package. Uh-huh. Well, you know, it's an interesting project. On my show? Oh, well, you know, I don't really. It's not the kind of show where I promote other people's books and that. No, I understand that. Yeah, no, the what now? Kiss James version? No, I don't think anybody wants that. No, I'm sorry, I'm not going to promote that book, the Bible, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Okay, well, I'm sorry you feel that way. Okay then. Well, we're just gonna have to agree to disagree. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye. Whew. Guy's out of his mind. I mean, come on. Who's gonna buy a Kiss Bible?
I know what I can be. Limit is the sky. Hey world, watch me fly. The best part of waking up is soldiers in your got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll, whoa. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
My language and culture for a while. But yeah, so I have this I call it a podcast. It's called BOOZHOO, Nano BOOZHOO. Hello, Nano BOOZHOO. And I teach Ojibwe language and culture. So like in Ojibwe Moan, in the Ojibwe language, for kiss we'd say, Ojindam. Ojindam is kiss in Ojibwe.
All right, one more song. One more song for the people. One more song to rock and roll all night. No, we already did that. Okay, here's a song. This one's called Dr. Love. Dr. Love. Oh, wow. All right.
You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had.
And if I say I wanna set you free,
Oh, don't you know you'll be in misery?
Call me
Dr. Love.
They call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love.
And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you will let me in.
You'll let me through, there's nothing you can do.
You need my love and don't you know it's true?
So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees.
Baby, I know what your problem is.
The first step of the cure is a kiss.
Call me
Dr. Love.
They call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love.
That was great, Natasha. Well, there you have it, folks. This is Paul Stanley, and you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm Paul Stanley of KISS, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hoa. What was that? Oh, that was really good. Gene's gotten really fat.
Yeah.